Which textile is known for its softness and is made from sheep's wool? A. Merino wool. B. Denim. C. Flannel. D. Linen. What is the characteristic of jacquard fabric? A. Stretchy texture. B. Smooth surface. C. Intricate woven patterns. D. Water resistance. What is batik? A. A type of knit fabric. B. A natural fiber. C. A wax-resist dyeing technique. D. A weaving pattern. What is the term for fibers obtained from animals? A. Synthetic fibers. B. Protein fibers. C. Cellulose fibers. D. Mineral fibers. What is the first step in garment production? A. Designing. B. Cutting. C. Sewing. D. Quality inspection. Which tool is essential for cutting fabric patterns? A. Tailor's chalk. B. Scissors. C. Pins. D. Measuring tape. What is a toil in garment design? A. A pattern. B. A prototype garment. C. A fabric type. D. A seam type. What is the function of inner lining in garments? A. To add decoration. B. To provide support and structure. C. To extend garment life. D. To protect the outer fabric. Which machine is used for stitching garments? A. Embroidery machine. B. Spinning machine. C. Sewing machine. D. Weaving machine. What does ready-to-wear mean? A. Custom-made garments. B. Handmade garments. C. Garments made for mass market. D. Garments made from recycled fabric.